This is Hirok Das. In this series, we will discuss about the engineering services previous year's question, and this question is from Digital Electronics in the year 1999. Okay, the question is the output Y of the given circuit is. So here, 3 XOR gate is connected serially. So they ask to what will be the output of this Y, value Y. Okay, now at first let understand what is the truth table of XOR gate. Okay, truth table of XOR gate. Suppose the truth table of X, there is 2 input X and Y and output is Z. Now in XOR gate, if both input are same, that means if both input are 0 0, output will be 0, and if the input is difference, then output will be 1. Okay, now same, if the input is same, output will be 0. So for this case, here both input are for first flip flop. Okay, for first XOR gate, both input are X, so output will be 0 because the both input are same. For second XOR gate, one input is 0 and another input is X. So here you see, if one input is 0 and another input is 1, so output is depend on this another input, that means 1. So here output will be X. And for third flip flop, third XOR gate, if third XOR gate, this input is X and another input is also X, so this is same input, so output will be 0. Okay, so for this, the output Y's value is equal to 0. So option B is the right answer for this question. Okay, thank you.